Playoffs? Don't talk about playoffs. You kidding me? Playoffs?
Welcome to the playoffs.
Playoffs, baby. Playoffs, huh? Let's go. The playoffs.
Hey, man. Welcome to the playoffs, baby. Leave it all on the field today. You think for 1 second that you're going to take something in that locker room after this game? Go back in there right now.
Cook running to the right, sets up the screen left side, tip, and intercepted. Superman Clowney.
What an athletic play. Antonio Brown. Loose again.
You got to keep fighting. You got to keep fighting.
Now, winds up, rainbows into the end zone. It is caught. Hail Mary answered again.
Yeah, that's going to be a legend right there. Paul Richardson, y'all watch out for him.
Paul Richardson, what a catch, one hand. Holy mackerel.
Did you see that?
It's great to have you with us for the divisional playoffs.
Let's be great. Let's be great. Go rock this thing, huh? Love you, man. Let's go get him.
Deion Lewis fielding from the 3. Across the 10, right to the 15. Stays left to the 20. Cuts it back right to the 30. Go. Lewis to the 35-40. Waiting for somebody to get open. Throws it to the left side. Edelman makes the grab with the 30. He runs it inside the 25.
He pushes off on every play.
What I did earlier on a play that went that way, when you went that way, you shoved off a little too much. Okay?
But he engaged on me.
I know, but you
if he engages on me, it says in the rule book I can hit his arm off.
That's right. You can hit his
That's
arm
what I did.
off.
I was like that.
I didn't throw a flag, okay?
I know.
I'm just telling you, you're real close.
I get so defensive. I'm sorry.
Don't do that, though.
My therapist yells at me for that.
We got bigger going for us than getting even in one of these little fights, all right? Keep your head out there. They're going to do dumb. Play our game, all right? Play hard, but stay poised. Finish it!
Julio on the quick throw. Touchdown, Atlanta.
Great job. Great job.
Hey, Sherman was so tired he stopped. He stopped on the swinging.
Show the champions you are right here. Respond right now. Right now. Come on, Elbel.
How do you stop a guy like Le'Veon Bell? Oh, man. I think I'm just going to keep pounding the ball with love on these guys.
Run it again. Tell them to run it again.
We don't win this game if we don't make plays. Point blank, period.
Throws it over the middle to Bryant, and he's got it into the end zone for a touchdown.
Got a ball game. Our chance now, proving the best now.
We're tied at 31 with 35 seconds to play.
I'm up and want to go fast. Let's take our time. We didn't teach them.
Facing third down, 19 yards to go. Waits, still looking, throws it deep down the left side. He's got his man out of bounds on the far side. Oh my goodness, what a play.
Hey, this is it right here. This is for all the marbles right here.
51-yard field goal attempt, snap, placement, kick to the upright, and it is ripped down. It's good, and the Packers are going to the NFC Championship game.
Let's go, baby. And now the real work begins. Let's keep it going. Great job. Hey, go win it all, man. All the hard work pays off. I appreciate it, man. See you, buddy. See you, buddy.
My dad always used to tell me when I was a young boy, when you got them down, you break their neck. That's what he used to tell me. I was like 12. I'm like, Dad. I was like, that's a lot. It's true. That's why I am the way I am, though.
Welcome to Foxborough's Gillette Stadium and the AFC Championship game from the Big Dome in Atlanta. We welcome into the NFC Championship game. Green Bay rushes forward. Bryant steps up in the pocket. Man pumps, runs, 10, 5, does he score? He does!
The fact that you got to talk about it means you're not.
Man looks, throws, Jones up the ladder and a great catch. What a circus catch by the big timer for the Falcons.
Great catch on that dagger. I don't care if they covered or not. I'm throwing it.
Conway down the snap and takes it. Backs up, bouncing on his feet. looks down the middle, throws down the middle, touchdown Edelman! One more score for the Patriots in this AFC Championship.
Are you happy? I'm not happy. I'll be happy next week. The other one. Happy. I know you're happy. I'm a little happy too.
The New England Patriots, the only NFL franchise to reach the Super Bowl 9 times.
That's what I'm talking about.
Dan Quinn in year 2 has taken Atlanta to the Super Bowl.
This is my motivation right here, all these fellas right here in front of me. That's why we're here. The boys showed up and played today, so we got to do that thing again in 2 weeks.